The 14th website is Freesound. Sound effects play an important role in storytelling and viewer engagement by adding depth and emotion to videos. Freesound is an online platform that offers a large collection of user-generated sound effects available under Creative Commons licenses. Each sound file clearly displays its license type, making it easy for creators to understand whether attribution is required. Many sounds are available for commercial use without restrictions, while others may require simple credit in the description. Freesound covers a wide range of audio, including ambient sounds, transitions, effects, and background textures. By carefully checking license details, creators can safely enhance their videos with professional quality sound design without worrying about copyright claims or takedowns.